Alrighty guys, let's get into the basics of most of my folds here. We're going to be folding 8x8 grid here. First thing we're going to do is that we're going to take a paper, fold it in half, both ways, like so. And then repeat on the other side. This is how I usually do my 8x8 grids. I think this is the fastest, most efficient way. So once we have those two folds down there, we're going to fold each side into the center here. So 1, 2, oh, got to find that there. 3, and 4. And now, last but not least, we're going to make this 4x4 grid into an 8x8. So in order to get the, more traditional accordion kind of style, we're going to turn the paper over. And then all the folds we made here, we're going to fold that to the center. So what we're going to do is that we're going to pinch the fold we made on the other side once we focus. So we're going to pinch the fold we made and fold to the center. It's kind of maybe hard to see depending on what kind of paper you are using. And then take the edge down here and then fold to the line right here. There may be more efficient ways, but I will say that this is how I do mine typically. I do think this is the, again, I'll say it again, the fastest way for me to do grids like this. I will say that Sarah Adams at happyfolding.com and Origami by Boys, they have great grid tutorials for grids greater than this. But this is, again, just a really basic grid and hopefully a relatively short time. And one more. Alrighty, and just like that, we have a 8x8 grid in, less than 3 minutes. Alright guys, enjoy.